Hi friends, good morning or good afternoon because we're a little late. Hey Keisha.
Hi.
We're headed to Preakness. We're just a little bit late, so we're gonna get in this lift and we'll be back. Alright, so we made it into the Uber. We're about to get dropped off. See what this Laurel Racetrack situation is like.
Giving.
Well, Keisha went yesterday. So I'm about to see what this situation is giving.
High volume.
Come rewind it. Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you're laughing, if you make you mad. Not only you give me love, but make me nice. I have to make you mine. Girl, I love you, plus I never make you mine. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Think that I love it every day. Time I nice you, my money I go back. For your love, I go back. It ain't making money, yes. I feel it for you every day. When you call, run it back on me back.
I'm winning my bag.
Baby, every night say I go drive me psycho. Baby, every duty done they make me mad.
Oh, hey.
What has everybody been asking us now?
I said you're always networking, so it's hard to record with you. But yeah, she's back.
Networking. We are the network.
So, I was just saying how my footage is terrible because I'm having such a good time. I'm having such a good time that
And the actual Preakness hasn't happened yet, so we can still do the Preakness race.
we've lost all of our bets thus far.
Every last one of them, we haven't won at all. Not once. We've been close.
I feel good about the main race though.
That's the one.
That's gonna be the
Gonna
one.
happen.
Stay tuned. That's how we do it.
Hey, that's it.
And they're wrong.
When you call, run it back on me back. For your love, I go back. For your love, I go back.
So we're leaving, it's over. Oh, okay, I had fun, but I want to say, never in my life have I lost every bet that I've ever placed.
Everyone. I almost want to go to Run the Wheels to see if we are losers or losers here.
No, we need to go hit the roulette table.
I think we should.
Because with the F,
What the helly?
I've never.
But we have fun.
So now we're off to Afro Creek. Or either I'm going to drop Keisha off at Afro Creek.
It's giving Kelly usually goes home. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
I see
Oh,
they're
oh,
not
no.
sober.
Everybody's wasted.
Everybody's wasted. By they, I mean us.
All right, we'll be back. Maybe at Afro Creek, or maybe it'll just be Keisha.
I think we should
at
get some Afro Freak.
Afro Creek.
Yo, it sounds like Preakness to me. It's probably us.
Clearly, we need to grow up.
It sounds like Afro
This is
Freak.
our car.
Yeah. A 4-0 now. 4-0 B. No.
Hey guys, thank you for joining us for a quick look at Preakness 151. You know we had to end the night at Afro Creek and of course a stop at our favorite Black Swan. And you know we had to end it with crabs on Sunday like usual. See you next time.